Well, first and foremost, I must thank Sendil sir and the SASH Institute for the. See, he always walked an extra mile in his work. He's something different. He's a real master. He's a guru for me actually. See, I already applied and appeared for IELTS examination before my experience with SASH Institute. At that time, I scored 6.5. But today, the overall CLB is 8. 6.5 to 8 is not a cakewalk. Once you appear for IELTS examination, you'll know what I'm saying. It's not a easy thing. It's an uphill task. It's completely different. But the moment I made an appointment and we had this orientation meeting, he promised me one thing. The desired IELTS score, which is 8,777. See, I'm not that superstitious, but let me share with you the certain details. A week before I'm applying for the examination, he actually told the exact scores and the overall CLB, what he's expecting out of me. That came 99.9% sure in the actual result. The reason why I keep referring him as a guru or master is because he knows his way. This particular person who I'm referring now, Sendil sir, is in this field for past 2 decades. He knows every nuts and bolts of this examination. Whatever you apply, IDP or British Council, whatever it is, they are foolproof system. You can't cheat. You can't just watch an YouTube video and apply for certain computer application and just go through few tests and you straight away go and apply all those techniques and administering the strategies. It's not that easy. It's completely different. It's a different terrain, and the terrain is bumpy and dreadful, no doubt. But with experience gathered out of SASH Institute, it's completely different. It's quite I don't actually love to use the word easy, but it's kind of like that. See, every day we had a speaking session, listening and reading and writing. At the time we were practicing, we had curfew imposed and lockdown was imposed. We switched it to online mode. Even at that time also, even the virtual meeting, he made sure every time we are occupied or constructively and productively engaging ourselves into any one of the module or any one of the components, whether it be listening, speaking, writing, reading. He made sure. Same time, the same interactiveness and participativeness is made sure and promised throughout the online mode. After we switched to offline mode again, and he made sure his promises. He is a person who is diligent enough to grasp what is in it, what is in you. See, at one point of time, I had a chance to look for the others' assignments. Okay, at that time I came to know, okay, it's not that easy because he assessed each and every individual. I thought, okay, we are a group of individuals preparing for an examination. Of course, we are a mixed group where we have both academic module and general training module practicing together. But in his eyes, we were different. At first, after the commencement of the program, for 5 to 6 days, he was actually assessing each and every one of us, and after that he tailor-made and give us certain assessments and assignments and tasks which is not for everyone. See, I do not deny the fact that there are institutes and academy which is available in and out Madurai. That's okay, right? That's fine. But this person-centered approach, this individualistic approach, which can't be entertained in any other institute, that's a promise. See, if IELTS is the only issue, if you're planning to migrate to any other country for studies or to claim the PR status, IELTS is the only impediment which is hampering you down to the progress. Sash Institute and Senthil sir is your last resort. He knows the way. He will lead you to the right way. To mentor you, he's the right person for the job. Before taking any serious decision towards your migration ideas or study visa kind of thing, or even choosing a consultancy in nowadays in pandemic time, just book an appointment. It's in Madurai, Chennai Nagar. You can find it in internet. Just book an appointment. You won't regret it. That's a promise I could share with the sheer experience what I gathered. So keep up the good work. Thank you and all the best for your future.